In this video, we're going to look at an exam question involving the volume of a prism. So we have here a piece of wood. The piece of wood is a prism of length 350 centimeters. And how do we know it's a prism? Well, it tells us it's a prism, but what is a prism? A prism is a shape with a constant cross-sectional area. So the cross-section in this case is the same shape throughout the length of the prism. In this case, it's this semicircle that I've shaded here in blue is the cross-section. Okay, so there's a quite simple, straightforward formula for volume of a prism. Volume of prism equals area of cross-section multiplied by length of prism. So this is the formula that we're always going to use for a prism question. So the length of the prism is pretty easy. The length of the prism is, well, it's labelled for you, it's this length here, is 350. So length of prism equals 350 centimeters. And we have to have the area of cross-section. Well, the cross-section is a semicircle. And because a semicircle has area pi r squared, so a circle has area pi r squared, that means a semicircle, which is half of a circle, has area half of pi r squared. That's the formula for area of a semicircle. Half of pi r squared. So we need to know what r is. Well, if we look at the diagram, we've got 1.2 centimeters, but that 1.2 centimeters is sort of the length all the way across the circle. So 1.2 centimeters is the diameter, because it goes all the way across. So the radius is half of the diameter, so the radius r is 0.6 centimeters is the radius. So then the area of the cross-section is half times pi times 0.6 squared. So I did that on my calculator, 0.5 times pi times 0.6 squared, which is 0.56549 cm squared. So that's the area of the cross-section. So now to find the volume of prism, we just have to plug this into the formula we had from the start. Volume of prism equals area of cross-section multiplied by length. Well, that's area of cross-section is 0.56549 and multiplied by the length, which is 350. And again, just plug that into our calculator and we get 197.92. Volume is in cm cubed. The question, if we look at it, it says give your answer correct to three significant figures. So 197.92 to three significant figures is 198 centimeters cubed. Three significant figures.